Mushroom. Guys, we will find a mushroom. I mean, we will look the mushroom. Wow, mushroom. No more, no more. Mushroom. Here. Here is the mushroom. Here. Wow. Guys. This is the mushroom. Wow. The mushroom.
I got it. My dad.
Oh.
I got it, Pa.
Yeah. Mushroom. Mainit-init yung mud trees. This is where this is where the mushroom live. It's a good mushroom, white.
Finding mushroom.
Aray. Yeah. Finding mushroom.
Mud press.
Mud press. What is mud press? The mud press is a one. Guys, oh. There is a mushroom. Hindi pa ko ang guys, this is a mushroom.
Adrian.
Wala na kasing kumakain ito eh. Mga mayayaman na kasi yung mga tao. Noon nag-aagawan. This is the mushroom.
Oy, I did, Nana.
Yeah, let's check there. Palasira na guys. The mushroom is already broken. Ay, Prince, no.
More mushroom. More mushroom. Sinira na ni Prince.
Do not destroy, Prinsipe. Uy, di ah.
Ang maliit na ano?
May kutsilyo ka rin pala.
Oo.
Wow. Mushroom. This is the mud. This is called mud press. Mud press. Tingin tayo. Na. Sabi ng ano, boss, subong lang kami kinaykay ba? Let's go.
Let's go.
Friends. Friends, again. Again. Shh. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hello, guys. Ang pangit ko pala kung naging lalaki ako. Hello. Hello, guys. How are you guys? Hello guys, I am carry the heavy loads of for my goat and for my chicken.
Okay na?
Hello guys, how are you? This is my face is if I have a burangos.
Halloween is coming.
If I have a burangos, if I'm lucky to be a man, this is my looks. This is my looks if I am a man. It's good, I'm not a man. Musta dyan? Musta? Hey, how are you?